we got a really cool project here. This is going to be basically a basketball court and a living space area. This is a weld up building. We did not do this concrete work. Right here, it's going to be basically a basketball court. They're going to have a living quarters right around the lean-to section. Welcome backpack. This is Adbeel from WolfSteel Buildings. And we got a really cool project here. This is going to be basically a basketball court and a living space area. Man, it's already hot here in Texas. We're going to be hitting the hundreds. We're in June 8 right now, or June 9. So the hot season is here. Can get a little challenging to be building around these times here in Texas. So just keep that in mind. That could slow down the progress of projects in some way. So we are getting pretty booked up. We're really getting booked up. We're about to hit the peak season, which typically is August and September. If you're looking for a metal building, I recommend especially our red iron construction, which is a little bit on our higher end. Make sure to reach out to us if it's a project you want to get done this year. Right now, if you place an order, it could take till like possibly the end of August. Already we're finishing towards September. The projects are lining up and it looks like we would be finished by September. October is kind of the finish dates for a lot of our red iron projects. So we're really getting far ahead. If you're wanting one of these buildings, make sure to reach out to us. Be proactive. Let's get this moving. Let's get you on the schedule before it's a little bit too late towards the end of the year. So guys, let's get this tour started. Now, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. I know you guys can hardly see me. It's hot and the sun is shining hard. And also, if you can guess the height of this building, we'll send you out a cool hat like ours or merchandise. We are selling merchandise. So check out our link tree. We have our merchandise store. But I'm gonna be giving one of these cool hats. It's got a 3D logo of our hat. It's just basically the logo itself. If you can guess the height of this build. So first one in the comments before we actually produce the final tour video, we will send you out a free hat. So let's get this video started. This is a 30 wide, 60 long. We're using full I-beam on this project. Our I-beams have 20-foot spaces. So we got bays every 20 feet, which is kind of the beauty of a red iron project, is that you don't have a lot of columns in the walls. What we're doing here is we're actually cutting the concrete. We did not do this concrete work. It's great work, but unfortunately concrete was done wrong in the measurement. So we have to cut the concrete to make sure that we sit the panels on the bottom so that way no water is coming in. And that's the reason why we have to do some cutting on the client's concrete. Again, that's one of the challenges from a builder perspective on the metal building side, is that if the concrete's done wrong, there's not a lot we can do. Here we can definitely solve that problem. Sometimes you cannot. But luckily it's not a big situation. We're getting it solved for our client. So a little bit of the layout of this project. So right here, it's gonna be basically a basketball court. Our clients really like basketball. You can see their hoop. So they're gonna be basically like a basketball court here. And then they're gonna have a living quarters right around the lean-to section. And he's gonna be building his own mezzanine loft area here on this side. So I'm pretty excited to come back maybe in about 6-7 months and really just check out, the finished project. We're gonna be doing the spray foam for this building. It's gonna be doing 2-inch spray foam. really airtight, seal this building out, and then he's gonna run bat insulation in his internal walls that he's building. And that's why you already see a lot of these plumbing or rough-ins for his electrical as well as any plumbing here. So check this out, guys. Again, if you can guess the height of the eaves, you will get a free hat. Leave it in the comments. We're really trying to engage with all of you guys. Right now what we're working on is a lot of the windows and a lot of the window placement. Right here, this is our steel door. This is a 36 by 84 inch door. A steel core, super solid, nice door. But over here, back here, we got the, this is a 48 by 84. This is bigger. So definitely, what the other one was 36, this one's 48. We're talking an extra 12 inches. So a lot wider. You can get a lot of furniture through this side, through these type of doors. All our sheet purlins. We do butt welds. Right now what they're working on is actually the base trim. We pay attention to a lot of the details. So right here, this is a base trim. The panel is gonna be sitting over it. A lot of times critters, little insects, tend to try to get in through the ridge of the panel. So let me show you guys the ridge. These are PBR panels. The ridges are a little bit more bigger, so you can see it's about an inch of a rise for the PBR panel. And so critters tend to come in through here a lot of times, especially if the concrete's not done right or it's off square. Then you got some little gaps and you can see some lighting, and that's where critters tend to come in. So with this, we actually sit the panel really off of it and really direct any water and critters away. Our client is getting the tan panels, brown trim. It's a very popular combo. And then the roof, he is getting Galvalume. Galvalume is actually very popular. And so the roof is gonna be Galvalume, and then you can see all the trim comes wrapped around. Really nice to make sure that the quality stays intact. This project's taken about, we started this Monday. It's already Friday. I think we started Tuesday actually. Now we got probably till like Wednesday or Thursday. And the reason is, normally we have a 3-man crew, 4-man crew. This time we doubled up on this project to try to get it done faster. So we got a 6-man crew right now working, actually, yeah, 6. So trying to get this done pretty fast. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, kind of showing you guys a little bit more of a red iron project. This is a weld up building and I'm really loving it. I actually didn't talk about, but this section is all going to be enclosed, but you can see this little lean-to section here is going to have the panel roof, but it's going to be open. That area is just kind of like a little hangout spot before entering the building. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this building gives you a little bit of inspiration on how to customize your building. And if you guys have any questions, don't forget to reach out to us. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.